Did you know that one woman's late-night detective work exposed the biggest accounting fraud in American history? Cynthia Cooper was just doing her job as WorldCom's internal auditor when she noticed something strange in the company's books. While her bosses slept, she worked secretly through the night, digging deeper into financial records that didn't add up. What she found was shocking. Her own company was hiding $11 billion in fake expenses to make their profits look bigger than they really were. When Cynthia brought this evidence to the board, the CEO and other top executives didn't thank her. Instead, they threatened to fire her and destroy her career if she didn't stay quiet. She had a choice: keep her well-paying job and say nothing, or risk everything to do what was right. Cynthia chose courage over comfort. Her bravery led to criminal charges against the executives and saved countless investors from losing their money. Today, she's recognized as a hero, earning more as a consultant than she ever did at WorldCom, proving that doing the right thing really does pay off.